This is Kirchhoff's laws, two simple rules that crack any circuit, even the ones series and parallel just can't handle. And here's the secret. You've been using both of them since episode 1. Today, they finally get their names. Law number 1 is Kirchhoff's current law, KCL. At any node, any junction where wires meet, the current flowing in equals the current flowing out. The sum of the currents in equals the sum of the currents out. Charge can't pile up at a point. Whatever arrives has to leave. So if 5 amps flow in and 2 amps head off one way, the other branch has to carry 3. That's every parallel node you've ever drawn. Law number 2 is Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL. Travel all the way around any closed loop and the voltage rises equal the voltage drops. Add up every source and every drop around the loop and it sums to 0. You always land right back where you started. A 12-volt source feeding an 8-volt drop and a 4-volt drop. 8 plus 4 is 12. That's every series loop you've ever solved. Here's the method, and it's the same 4 steps every time. Step 1, draw a current in every branch and just guess a direction. Step 2, write KCL at each node. Step 3, write KVL around each loop. Watch the signs. Going through a source from minus to plus is a rise. Going through a resistor in the direction of the current is a drop. Step 4, solve the equations. And if a current comes out negative, no problem. It just means you guessed that one arrow backward. Now the payoff. Here's a circuit series and parallel can't touch. 2 batteries in different branches. You can't collapse it, so we label 3 currents, I1, I2, and I3. KCL at the top node. A, the 2 currents flowing up, I1's I2, equal the current coming back down the middle. I3, the 10-volt source equals 2 ohms times I1 plus 2 ohms times I3. KVL around the right loop, the 8-volt source equals 2 ohms times I2 plus 2 ohms times I3. Values. E1 is 10 volts, E2 is 8 volts, every resistor is 2 ohms. Now substitute I3 with I1 plus I2. The left loop becomes 10 equals 2I1 plus 2 times the quantity I1 plus I2, which is 4I1 plus 2I2. And the right loop becomes 8 equals 2I2 plus 2 times I1 plus I2, which is 2I1 plus 4I2. Solve those two together and out fall the currents. I1 is 2 amps, I2 is 1 amp, and I3 is 3 amps. Check it. KCL 2 plus 1 is 3. Left loop 4 plus 6 is 10. Right loop 2 plus 6 is 8. Every law holds. So that's the whole toolbox. KCL, the currents at a node balance. KVL, the voltages around a loop balance. Put those together with Ohm's law and you can solve any circuit ever drawn, no matter how tangled it looks. Next time, we leave the theory board behind and solve a problem you've actually searched for. Grab a pencil, and I'll see you at the board.